Dear Asaba real estate investor, you don't have to wait for development to hit the location of your investment before you start selling your property to get a good return of investment. In this short video, I'll be talking about 4 tips that you can try to increase the value of your land quickly so that you can sell your property and get a good return of investment right here in the capital city of Delta State. Let's dive right into it. The first thing is that you should perfect your title. You see, you don't need to settle for a deed of assignment as a title, because a deed of assignment is just the legal agreement between you as the buyer and the seller that they've passed the property over to you. Now, if you want to get a good return of investment in your land within a short period of time, you want to try to upgrade the status of your title by getting a certificate of occupancy. The certificate of occupancy is that legal document from the government or the state government to show that you are the legal owner of that property. And you see, properties in Asaba that has certificate of occupancy are often more priced than properties that just have a deed of assignment. Buying a property, buying a plot of land, try to upgrade the title by getting a certificate of occupancy because it is highly priced than just a deed of assignment. With that, you can sell your property very fast and get a good return of investment. Number 2, fence your land. You see, a fenced land gives that strong signal that this land is owned and this land is protected. Now, if you fence your land, it will also discourage land grabbers and also trespassers. Now, you may be wondering, I don't have a huge budget in order for me to fence my entire land. No, you don't need to fence your entire land. You may do just maybe a partial fence, or you may just do a corner demarcation. You see, when you fence your land even partially, it increases the value of your land. If you want to sell your land, you'll sell it at a more higher rate because you've added something, you've added value to the property. Number 3, keep your land clean and maintained. If you want your land to depreciate very fast, just allow people to dump refuge on it. You see, a dirty land is one that reduces value. Nobody wants to invest in a land that is dirty. So always try to monitor the activities that's going on your land so that you can keep your land clean and maintained. When your land is neat and clean, it gives potential investors a feel of your land, and it also shows that okay, there are regular activities happening in this land. As such, this land is a bit secured than just a bush or a land that is filled with dirt. Number 4, keep the road accessible. If the road leading to your land is overgrown or it is covered with dirt, it reduces the value of your land. So try to make sure that the road leading to your land is always motorable, because you see, investors, they could buy into a property that is deep into the bush if it is motorable, but if it is not motorable, it gives them that sense that this land is really far, and as such they'll begin to price it lower than other properties that are motorable. So always ensure that you have a clear access road that is leading to your property. Now, once again, you may not have to do this all by yourself. If you know other neighboring landowners like yourself, you can speak to them, and then so that you all can come together and keep the road leading to your land motorable. That really increases the value of your land. So there you have it. Those are my 4 tips to help you as a real estate investor in Asaba to increase the value of your land over time. Now, you see, you don't have to wait for development to hit the area before the value of your land appreciates. So as a smart investor, try out these tips will help you to get a good return of investment within the shortest period of time while investing in the capital city of Delta State. Now, if you got value from this video, please kindly like, share, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of the weekly videos we'll be uploading on this channel. In this channel, you get to see videos about real estate trends, real estate listing, and real estate tips like this that will help you to make smarter and wiser decisions. Now, if you need help with purchasing a property here, a land, of course, in the capital city of Delta State, you can always reach me, Michelle Abilogu, by the number that will be displayed on screen, or visiting my website, realtor.com. See you soon.